Now, AJ Fox with your local Weather Authority forecast.
Just a lovely day, lots of sunshine. It did start out a little cool, though, this morning.
There was a touch of fog, but the fog advisory that we had, dense fog advisory, expired a little after 5 this morning. So I expected it to be longer, but they canceled it. So
kids had to go to school.
Yeah, I know.
No one
what
got
a
out of it.
shame. What a shame.
Sorry,
but we used to not have to go to school. On whose birthday is it today? Trivia.
Is Washington?
Today's George Washington's birthday. That's right. It is also my son's birthday. He turned 15 today.
You'll
Happy
never
birthday,
forget that.
Preston.
Did he get to stay home?
No, goodness, no. In fact, I had a field trip today. But anyway, that's another issue. But 66 was our official high. Our morning low, 44. Both numbers slightly above normal, 1 or 2 degrees. And so today was a fairly normal mid to end of February day. 62 in Fresno, 58 in Hanford, Visalia 59, 60 in Madera and also Merced. Skies were pretty clear today. That's part of what made it so nice. And we're expecting clear skies tonight and into tomorrow. According to the Futurecast, we're looking at pretty clear conditions. There may be a patch or two of fog. It's that time of year. You would always expect it with temperatures like this. 40 in Porterville, 41 in Tulare and Visalia, 38 in Hanford, 40 for Huron and 5 points in San Joaquin, 39 though in Madera. Oakhurst 38, a 40 in Yosemite, Chowchilla, Mariposa, 38 in Merced, 41 for Los Banos. High temperature, again, Merced 68, but Dos Palos and Firebaugh 71, same in Mendota. China Peak 53 the high, 68 in Squaw Valley. Hanford and Lemoore 71, Kettleman City 73, Corcoran and Tulare 72, Porterville 70 and 73 expected in Delano. Air quality mainly in the moderate range on the valley floor. Still good up in the Sequoia National Park area. Fresno and Tulare County on the valley floor. Wood burning's only okay if they have the registered wood burning device. 43 tonight under clear skies. Light winds, sunrise time 6:38. Tomorrow, a little warmer than today. Mostly sunny skies hitting that 70-degree mark. And over the next 7 days, we're going to be approaching record territory. I don't think we'll break it. It is going to get warmer every day right on through Friday, but the records are just too high. I don't think we'll make it. Increasing clouds come back this weekend and temperatures will drop back down. So 76 the high on Thursday. The warmest day of the week will be Friday at 77. Temperatures after that dropping pretty quickly back into the lower 70s, which is still warmer than normal, and no rain expected in the forecast even through Monday of next week. That is the last day of February, that Monday. Your regional forecasts are available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com. So we're looking at the whole month of February. We only officially had rain on 2 days.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Especially after so much rain in January.
I know, so disappointing.
Right, but maybe we'll make up for it in March. We'll just have to wait.
I hope so.
All right, AJ, thanks so much.
You bet.